Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change the DPI settings on a Razer mouse. Okay. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, before you change a DPI setting, okay, for your Razer mouse specifically, you'll need to install an application or software called Razer Synapse. Okay. To do that, you can go ahead and open up your favorite browser and type down Razer Synapse, like so. Click on the first link, which says Razer Synapse. Click on it. And here, just click on download. Okay. Download, save it wherever you want. Save. Wait for process to finish. Click on it. And just wait for it to load. Okay. Once it loads, hit on continue right here. Now go ahead and find Synapse. Okay. Click on it and just hit on install. And it will open up Synapse for you. Okay. Now, once this one opens, scroll down a bit and find your devices, okay? In here, just gotta find your specific mouse and click on it. And once that's done, to finally change the DPI settings, click on performance right here. And if you want to turn off sensitivity stages like this one right here, when you go ahead and press this specific key, okay, the center of your mouse, it will set these stages or sensitivity stages or DPI stages, okay, to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 levels. Okay? You can try it, press this key and wiggle your mouse. It will be faster every time you press on this button until it reaches level 1 again, okay? If you want this one, by any means, go ahead and enable it, but I don't want it enabled, okay? So in here, as you can see, I have my level 1 or default DPI to 800. You can go ahead and change this one, just type it down if you want to. Okay, just like so. And then once done, make sure that the polling rate is set to the highest. And after that, you can now go ahead and close this one and do what you need to do. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.